So now we can calculate the footing. Footing. This is our first footing. This is our second footing. Okay. First footing for long wall and short wall. We know that long wall length will be is our 5.6 meter. Short wall length is our 4 meter. For footing, our breadth will be 0.6 meter and its depth is 0.3 meter. Breadth 0.6 meter for long wall and short wall for 0.6. Also, the depth is 0.3 meter for long wall and 0.3 meter for short wall. And numbers of item is our 2 for long wall, 2 for short wall. Then quantity will be 5.6 into 0.6 into 5.6 into 0.6 into 0.3 into 2, which is 2.016 meter cube for long wall. For short wall, 4 into 0.6 into 4 into 0.6 into 0.3 into numbers of item 2, which is 1.44 meter cube. 1.44 meter cube. This is our for first footing. Then second footing. Second footing. Long wall, short wall. Length is our length of long wall is our 5.6 meter. Short wall length is 4 meter. Then breadth and height of second footing. This is our second footing, which breadth is 0.5 meter and depth is 0.3 meter. Okay, so 0.5 meter is our breadth for long wall, also short wall, and depth is also 0.3 meter for long wall and 0.3 for short wall. We know that there are two long wall. This is our one long wall and this is our another long wall. So two numbers of long wall and two numbers of short wall. So our long wall numbers of item, long wall will be 2 meter and short wall is our 2 meter. Then we can find the quantity of long wall for second footing will be 5.6 into 0.5 into 0.3 multiplied by 2, which is 1.68 meter cube. 1.68 meter cube. Then for short wall, 4 into 0.5 into 0.3 into 2, which is 1.2 meter cube. Okay, so this is our quantity of footing. So we can here calculate the total quantity of footing. Total quantity of footing, that is 2.016 plus 1.44 plus 1.68 plus 1.2. So total footing quantity is our 6.336 meter cube. Okay. Then we can calculate the superstructure portion from plinth and wall. This is our plinth. This is substructure which is below the ground, and this is the superstructure which is above the ground. Now we calculate the superstructure portion. First we calculate the quantity of plinth. So in serial number 4, we can calculate the quantity of plinth. So name of our particular item will be plinth, and its long wall will be two numbers, and short wall also 2 meter. Sorry, two numbers. Then length will be our, for long wall 5.6 meter, for short wall 4.0 meter. Breadth is breadth of plinth is our 0.4 meter, and depth or height is our 0.6 meter. Breadth is our 0.5 meter for long wall, also for short wall, and depth is 0.6 meter. 0.6 meter. From here we can find the quantity of plinth. 2 into 5.6 into 0.5 into 0.6. So quantity of long wall for plinth is 3.36 meter cube, and for short wall is 2 into 4 into 0.5 into 0.6, 2.24 2.24 meter cube. This is the quantity of plinth for short wall. Then our total quantity of plinth. total quantity of plinth, which is 10 6.5 meter cube, 5.60 meter cube for the quantity of plinth. Then we can move last portion, which is our superstructure for wall, quantity of wall. Long wall, short wall. We know that there are two long wall and two short wall. Also know that length of long wall is 5.6 meter, short wall is 4 meter, and breadth is 0.3 meter, 0.3 meter, and depth or height is 3.5 meter, 3.5 meter. Okay. Quantity of wall for long wall is 2 into 5.6 into 0.3 into 3.5 into, sorry, into 5.6 into 0.3 into 3.5 equals to 11.76, 11.76 meter cube. For short wall, into 4 into 0.3 into 3.5 equals to 8.4, 8.4 meter cube. So total quantity of wall is, total quantity of wall will be our 6 1 20.16 meter cube is our total quantity of wall. Here we can see here in this plan there are no door and no window are given, so there are no deduction are calculated. From here we can find the all quantity of this single room. Next, okay, in next class we can calculate the another method, which is our center to center long wall and short wall method. Kindly similar to this method, but it is calculate through the center line. You can see here a center line is drawn here. So we can calculate this center line method. Sorry, we can calculate by center line method using this center line. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Any doubts? Okay. Thank you.